Learning how to build website might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Once you understand the basic of HTML and CSS, everything starts to fall into place. These two technologies are the foundation of the web. Whether you want to create a personal blog, design a portfolio, or begin a career in web development, mastering HTML and CSS is your first step into the digital world. So, what exactly are HTML and CSS? HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the structure of a web page. It defines the content you see heading, paragraph, image, links, and more. You can think of HTML as the skeleton of your website. CSS, cascading style sheets, on the other hand, is what brings your site to life visually. It controls color, font, spacing, and layout. In simple terms, if HTML builds the structure, CSS makes it beautiful. Why should you learn HTML and CSS? Because they are beginner-friendly, easy to pick up, and essential for creating any website. They give you full creative control and are must-have skill for anyone interested in web design or development. HTML works using tag, written inside angle bracket like H1 for heading or P for paragraph. Every web page follows a simple structure that includes a document type, a head section for metadata, and a body where all visible content lives. CSS is used to style those HTML elements. You can apply CSS in three ways: inline, directly inside an element, internal, within a style tag, or external, in a separate .css file. For example, a simple CSS role can change all paragraph text to blue and adjust the font size to make it easy to read. The key difference between HTML and CSS is their purpose. HTML on the structure and content, while CSS focus on design and layout. Together, they work hand in hand to create complete, visually appealing web page. As a beginner, it's important to follow a few best practices. Always close your HTML tag properly, use semantic elements like header and footer for better structure, and keep your CSS organized, preferably in a separate file. Also, test your website on different devices to ensure it looks good everywhere. At the same time, try to avoid common mistakes like forgetting to close tag, mixing too many styling methods unnecessarily, or using outdated HTML elements. Keeping your code clean and organized will save you a lot of time as you grow. You might have a few questions at this point. Yes, it's best to learn HTML before CSS. While you can build a website using only HTML, it will look very plain without CSS. The good news is that most beginners can learn the basics of both within a few weeks of consistent practice. And no, you don't need any special software. A simple text editor like Notepad or Versus Code is enough to get started. HTML and CSS are not programming language, but they are essential tools in web development. While they don't create logic like JavaScript does, they form the backbone of every website you see online. In the end, the best way to learn is by doing. Start small, experiment with simple pages, and gradually build more complex projects. With time and practice, you'll gain confidence and skill. Ready to begin your journey? Open your text editor, write your first HTML page, and style it with CSS. Every expert started exactly where you are now, and this could be the beginning of something great.